Hey, so welcome, and we are talking about how to compress your video on your phone. So you can install this app, a video compress, from the Play Store on Android. I don't know it's available on iOS or not, but yeah, you can use this app. And if you have a file over 1 GB, 2 GB, or 3 GB, it's going to work very efficiently for that because the small files are already small, so the compression doesn't work as efficient as on the it works on bigger files. So yeah, and you can cut and compress, you can just extract and add the mp means audio and other effects. And here you can see that you can get your video footage in high quality, low quality, or you can compress that. So yeah, you can see that 53 MB will be reduced to 9.6 MB, and the quality will be same. There will be no frame loss or audio loss. So this is the best option to do it, and I have done this with my 2 GB file on a GoPro, and that works really fine. So there will be no issue with the video file, or means your quality will be same as previous one, because of the because we just don't have that much data to just upload a file. It just take too much long time to just upload a file on YouTube to just that's kind of headache. So yeah, and this is the best app, and yeah, this is the only app which can give you this kind of capabilities. And yeah, if you're using an GoPro or action camera, because the files of action cameras are so big, so you can use this means app. And how much time it takes to reduce a 2 GB file? It will take around 7 to 10 or around 12 minutes. So yeah, it's not that kind of longer time, and this works very efficiently. So yeah, you can use this. And there's one other thing that you can also add the external audio if you have that. uh, if you want to just add that, you can do that. And yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll meet you in the next video.